Wade's body. When he gets his prognosis in the film, he's told that
people react to news of late-stage cancer differently.
And we see x-rays showing us where the cancer is earlier in the scene. It looks like it's all over his lungs and on both sides of his abdomen, implying that it is spread. That is what defines stage 4 cancer, the latest stage of the disease. And if this cancer continues to grow, it likely means that it will also spread to Wade's brain along with the rest of his body. Thus, the ugly face.
Wait, Vanessa loves you. She doesn't care what you low.
But the brain part here is important because if the cells in Wade's brain are constantly being rejuvenated and regenerated, that would give him high neuroplasticity. Now, we go into a lot of detail about neuroplasticity in our episode about whether or not Omni-Man was right in Invincible. The long and short of it is that when we're really young, our brains are really good at forming new neural pathways. But as we age, they become less good at it, resulting in us becoming set in our ways, so to speak. But if Wade's brain is in an indefinite state of being destroyed by his cancer and regenerated by his healing factor, his brain would remain young, allowing him to form those new neural pathways. So maybe what we're seeing here is some sort of weird combination of these two ideas. The constant regeneration of his brain cells supercharging his neuroplasticity, letting him absorb new concepts and accept new ideas regardless of how universe-breaking they are, thus giving him Joker-like super sanity. This would let him comprehend that he's a comic or movie character and see past it to us, the viewer, and speak to us. That's a really fun, cool answer, and might very well be what's going on here with Deadpool. But there is one problem with this. Deadpool isn't the only character in Marvel's roster who can break the fourth wall. Comedic characters like Howard the Duck and Spider-Ham have done it. Kid Loki can crawl out of his own comic book panels and change past events through retcons. Even the Fantastic Four regularly spoke to readers back in the 1960s before that fell out of style and they became normal heroes. I'd hesitate to call that one outright canonical,